I'm going to show you one of the easiest flamenco rumba patterns step by step, and more importantly, why most people make it sound stiff instead of groovy. Maybe you've already tried learning the rumba rhythm before. If not, don't worry, I'll teach you the one you just heard in the intro. But here's the thing. There are many tutorials explaining the movements, but I've never seen one explain the rhythm itself. And that's why so many beginners sound stiff. They copy the motions, but not the groove. So if your rumba doesn't quite groove yet, we're going to fix that right now. Before we start, I'm going to assume that you can already play open chords, the basic ones with open strings. No bar chords here, so don't panic. And by the way, if you want to sound like the real thing, you're going to need a little bit of nail, otherwise it will sound dull, but you can still practice it while you let them grow. So for now, forget about the left hand, just mute the strings with it so they don't ring like this. We're only focusing on the right hand. So the flamenco rumba pattern has 8 steps that make one full cycle. Step 1 is down with the thumb. Step 2, up with the thumb. Step 3, down with the fingers. Make sure you don't leave them loose like that. Stick them together and go down with the middle and ring finger. And also tuck away the thumb as well, because step 4 is up with the thumb again. So to recap, down with the thumb, up with the thumb, down with the fingers, and up with the thumb. Step 5 is just resting your thumb on the 6th string. You don't play anything, just leave it there. Step 7 is up with the index, but make sure you tuck away the fingers as well, because step 7 is down with the fingers. And step 8, up with the index. To simplify it, you can break it down into 2 groups of 4 steps. So the first group would be, in the second group. Now just practice looping this cycle until you can play it smoothly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's go with the chords. The chord progression for this one is E minor, D, C, and B7. If you're already comfortable with these shapes, you can try these alternate voicings for a fuller sound. This one can be a bit tricky because you have to press, finger 2 has to press both the 6th string and the 5th string like this, kind of diagonally. Now if you combine these chords with the right hand steps, it should sound pretty decent, but here's where most beginners mess up. They tend to play something like this. And it should sound more like this. So to get it to sound like this, you need to understand 2 things, tumbao rhythm and dynamics. So tumbao is the heartbeat of Latin music. You can hear it in salsa, for example. If you didn't know, rumba is an Afro-Cuban rhythm, and that's where flamenco rumba comes from as well. Here's what tumbao sounds like. If you listen to any rumba song that has a bass in it, that's what it will be playing. You can hear it in the percussion as well. Sometimes it's more obvious than others. It's a good idea to listen to a lot of rumba songs and try to identify the tumbao and clap along with it. So this is how our pattern fits into the tumbao. If you pay attention, you'll see that the accents match step 4 and step 7. If you're not familiar with Latin music, the tricky part is that the first downstroke, is not really an accent. So to get the rumba groove right, you want to accentuate step 4 and step 7. But that doesn't mean you need to play them super loud, and that's where dynamics come in. There's a common misconception in flamenco that you need to play everything loud, and it's just not true. Most of your favorite players use dynamics all the time. So you want to keep your hand relaxed and only use tension when you really want to accentuate that. If your strumming feels tense, try letting your hand drop by its own weight instead of forcing the motion like this. Just use its own weight. That's the key to a professional sound. But there's one more thing that can ruin your sound even if your technique is perfect: your guitar. If your guitar doesn't have a good rebound, meaning a fast response, doesn't matter how well you play, it will always sound kind of dull. Now, I won't go into detail here, that's not the topic of this video, but if you want to learn how to spot a guitar with a fast response, aka a proper flamenco guitar, I explain it in another video that you can get by subscribing at flamencoaddict.com. Just enter your email and it will land in your inbox in minutes. I hope this tutorial helped you get that beautiful rumba groove. If you have any trouble, let me know in the comments. That's all for today. Have a good one.